Are you looking for a home that's as flexible as your lifestyle? Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 1431 South Cypress in Casper, Wyoming. This home has over 2,900 square feet of space. You will have plenty of room to live, plenty of room to grow, and plenty of room to thrive. Let's go look around. As you step through the front door, one of the first things you'll notice is the flow of the space, wide open and welcoming. And running through the entire home is brand new luxury vinyl planking flooring. It's modern, durable, and creates a seamless look from room to room. The showpiece of the main floor is without a doubt the kitchen. And one of my favorite things are these hard surface countertops. There are countertops for days. And my second favorite thing is the color that they painted the cabinets. They're newly painted. And the thing that ties it all together is the subway tile that they put vertically around the kitchen. Finish this kitchen off with stainless steel appliances and you are ready to cook. Okay, now, because this wall was taken down, all of this space is open. You have a large dining room space that fits a huge table and another showpiece, this light fixture. Natural light pours through the windows, creating a bright and airy feel. Whether you're entertaining or just enjoying a quiet evening at home, this space adapts beautifully to your lifestyle. Off this great big living space, there are two bathrooms. One of them is a primary suite, because remember, this house has two primary suites. Having one in each place provides one level living if you need it, or if you need a private retreat, you can use the one downstairs. This bedroom is set up for the book lover with an installed bookcase. Now let's talk about the basement. Almost 80% of this basement is finished, and right now we're standing in the second primary suite. Just look at this. There's lots of ways this room could be configured. You could have an office or a fitness area in the bedroom, or you could have a living room and your bed. And for those of you that are all about a walk-in closet with lots of room, this primary suite has it. And now we're in the third bathroom. You can see it's been remodeled, nice, large shower, and lots of space in this bathroom if you wanted to add some more storage. This basement also includes one more finished bedroom and plenty of room for flexibility. There's even an unfinished space just waiting for your touch, whether you envision a fifth bedroom, home office, gym, or hobby room. The layout makes it easy to expand without needing to change the home's footprint. Need room for storage? You've got it. The one car attached garage offers tools, gear, or a workshop setup. This home sits on a lot that's over 9,700 square feet. The backyard is fenced and it has a spacious deck through the slider off of the dining room. One thing I cannot forget to tell you is about the RV parking of this home. There's RV parking on this side and on the other side of the home. So if you have lots of toys, this home is perfect for you. We would love to show you this home, so call or text us today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.